We are back at Little India for a 15 March 26 update on Farrer Park Arena. We are currently observing significant vertical progress across all 3 residential blocks in this prime location public housing PLA precinct. Structural works have surpassed the midway point, with the towers designed for 24 stories. We are seeing the precast components now being hoisted for the upper tier levels. The tower cranes are positioned for high cycle efficiency to meet Q4 to 2027 completion. The external facade is beginning to show its final form. Notice the consistency in the window frame installations and the progress of the internal partition wall. The site layout is tight, given the Dorset Road proximity, but logistics management remains high tempo. Ground-level works for the integrated sports facilities are now in the early civil phase. This area will eventually house the repurposed boxing gym and community spaces, serving as the arena anchor for the 569 units here. Overall progress is 62%. Structural topping out is anticipated by late 2026 if current momentum holds. For more BTO updates, share this with your friends and subscribe for the next site tour. Stay tuned.